Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today we're going to take a look at the Mobius M60 Mill. The Mobius M60 is a rotor-style, continuous throughput tabletop mill that grinds cannabis flowers or trimmings for use in pre-rolls and oil extraction procedures. Along with its big brother, the M210, Mobius mills are the only machines on the market designed from the bottom up specifically for grinding cannabis. The secret to Mobius mills is their relatively low rotor speed, which means no heat generated. This is paired with efficient milling drum and screen design, which ultimately produces an incredibly consistent grind with minimal fines and no heat degradation. Although the M60 comes in a small tabletop package, looks can be deceiving. The M60 delivers big throughputs in the range of 5 to 20 pounds per hour, about 2.5 to 9 kilograms per hour, but is compact enough to be operated in even the tightest of spaces. The all-stainless steel, tool-free design of the Mobius M60 mill renders it GMP ready, allowing the operator to disassemble, clean, and reassemble in no time. The M60 ships with multiple milling screens, allowing you to customize your output ranging from coarse to ultra-fine. To learn more about the Mobius M60 mill, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.